Without you, I remember myself, my name. Forgot about all you tried to change. Familiar was the sound of your voice as I continue to walk on by. It has been a year and now I'll remember myself.
Hello, hi. Welcome back to new academic year. I hope all of you are safe and fine. I am Little Tom, your computer teacher. Let's start our computer class with Microsoft Word. Let's go. We have already learned Microsoft Word in the previous classes. You have learned how to open Microsoft Word, how to create a Word document, how to save that file, how to open that saved file, and how we can apply different formatting to the Word document. All these we have learned in the previous sessions. Now, let's learn tabular presentation in Microsoft Word. Look here. Here you can see a list of data. That is the number of students in various clubs. So here you can see class 6 section A, Maths club, there are 6 students, and debate club 8 students, dramatics clubs 9 students, literary club 7 students, IT 6 students. Section B, Maths 5, debate 8, dramatics 9, literary 9, IT 6. Section C, Maths 7, debate 2, dramatics 9, literary 6, IT 9. Section D, Maths 8, debate 6, dramatics 9, literary 8, IT 1. Section E, Maths 9, debate 7, dramatics 9, literary 7, IT 6. This is the list of students in various clubs of class 6. And here you can see the same list of students represented in another method, that is in table form. So here you can see class 6 as the heading and section ABCD here, and Maths, debate, dramatics, literary, IT. Section A, you can see number of students in Maths club 6, debate 8, dramatics 9, literary 7, IT 6. Section B, same way, Maths 5, debate 8, dramatics 9, literary 9, IT 6. Section C, Maths club 7, debate 2, dramatics 9, literary 6, IT 9. Like this, the data represented in rows and column method, that is in table form. Which one is easy to read, and from which method we can retrieve data easily? Can you say option 1 or option 2? Which method? Yeah, this tabular form. From this method, it is very easy to retrieve data. Easily we can collect data. How many students are there in debate club in class 6 section C? So we can directly go to this class C, debate club 2. We can easily collect data in the tabular form. So today let's learn how to create this table in Microsoft Word. Also we will learn how to enter data into the cells. So today in this session we will learn about creating a table, entering data into the cells. Let's start. The arrangement of data in rows and columns is called a table. The horizontal arrangement of data is called a row. Horizontal means from left to right, this part. And the vertical arrangement is called column, from top to bottom. This section is called column. The intersection of a row and a column is called a cell. Joining the column and row forms a box. This box is called a cell. Tables are used to organize and present data in a neat and ordered way. They are used for displaying data in an easy to read format. Microsoft Word table can have unlimited rows. Unlimited rows. This side rows are from left to right and a maximum of 63 columns. Now let's learn how to create a table. There are two methods of creating a table. To create a table, by the first method, follow these steps. First method, click on the Insert tab. Click here, Insert tab. Click on the Table option, this one, Table. Click there. Drag the mouse pointer to select rows and columns. How many rows you want? You can drag here, and columns. Here I am selecting 5 columns and 3 rows. Click on the last square of the selected range. So this is the selected range and last square. This is the last square. Click in that square. Now you can see here that table has been inserted in the Word document here. You can use this method to insert a table of here 5 columns and 3 rows. And you can use this for maximum 8 rows and 10 columns, because here you can see when you are using here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rows are there, and maximum of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 columns. So maximum number of rows and columns is 8 rows and 10 columns. Column table we can insert by using this method. That is the first method. Okay. If you want to add more rows and columns, that is, if you want to add more than 8 rows and 10 columns, then we can use the second method. First, let me delete this table. The first method, first step to create a table is click on Insert tab. This one, click on Insert tab here. Then click on Table. From the drop down list, click on Insert Table. This is the drop down list. From here you can click on the Insert Table option. This option, click here, and the Insert Table dialog box appears. This is the Insert Table dialog box. Enter the number of rows and columns under the table size. Under this table size heading, insert how many number of columns you want. So here I am entering 11 columns. Number of rows more than 8, so I am giving 9. Click OK. Here click on OK. Click OK. Now you can see here a table with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 columns and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rows has been created. Like this, we can insert table in Word document. In the Insert tab, Table option, you can see some more options. Here, Draw Table option. We can click on the Draw Table option. Using that, we can draw table like we are drawing with pencil, and we can create columns like this. We can create columns, or we can draw rows using this Draw Table option. So, Insert tab, Table option, another method that's not there in your textbook, but just for your information, you can learn how to draw table using this Draw Table option. There is another option, that is Quick Table. So different table formats are readily available in the Quick Table option. So you can select any option from there that will be inserted like this. Another option is you can insert an Excel table into the Word document by using this Excel spreadsheet option. Click on that, then the Excel worksheet will be inserted here in the Word document. So these all are the different options available in the Word table option. So here as we are doing in the Excel sheet, we can type here, we can enter data. Here we can enter data. So what all things we are doing in the Excel that we can do here in the Word document itself. Okay. So by now we have learned different options in the table option. Insert table using grid method. This is the grid method, and insert table by giving the number of rows and columns, drawing table and Quick Tables, then inserting Excel spreadsheet into the Word document. Now let's learn how to enter data into the cells. So for that, I am creating a table with the 4 columns and 3 rows. A table with the 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4 columns and 1, 2, 3, 3 rows has been inserted. Now to type a text in a cell, place the cursor in the cell where the data is to be entered. So here I am clicking here. You can see the blinking vertical bar, that is cursor, here in the first cell. So whatever we are typing, that will appear here in the first cell. So here I am typing name. And as we are doing, we have learned to format text, so we can increase the size of the word by clicking on this. We can change the color. Now, either by pressing the tab key or by using the arrow key, we can move this cursor to the next cell to right. So now I am pressing the tab key. You can see the cursor is in the next cell, the cell to the right of this first cell. Here I am typing maths, and then now I am pressing the arrow key to move the cursor to the next cell to the right. Maths, English, then in the fourth column I am typing social. And here we can enter data, name. I am entering the name, Mini, and maths mark 50, English mark 45, social mark 48. Like this we can enter data into the cells. One more data we can enter, that is Robin. Maths mark 48, English mark 43, then social mark 34. This data also we can format. And if you want, you can give color, some other color we can give, that you will learn later. So this is the method to insert data into cells. So here there is a practice time. You can do that. Open Microsoft Word, insert table, and insert a table with 1, 2, 3 columns and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. Then enter this data. The steps are given below. For hints, you can refer to the steps. That is the assignment. You have to create a table with 3 columns and 6 rows and enter data, this data. You can format also. That's all for today's class. All of you, please practice these lessons at your home. Thank you and have a nice day.
Drop it.